Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, your one-stop channel for tech tips and solutions. Today, we are diving into a feature that is a lifesaver for many of us: how to block a number on Android phone. Whether it is spam calls, persistent telemarketers, or just someone you'd rather not hear from, Android makes it easy to block unwanted numbers. We will show you how to do it step by step on your Android device. Here's what we will cover. 1. Block a number from recent calls. 2. Block a number from contacts. 3. Block unknown or private numbers. 4. Unblock a number if you change your mind. By the end of this video, you'll be free from those annoying interruptions and enjoy a more peaceful phone experience. So let us get started. Step 1. Block a number from recent calls. First, let us block someone who recently called you. Open your phone app and go to the Recents tab. Find the number you want to block, tap on it, and then select Details or the eye icon. Tap Block Number and confirm. Pro tip: you can also choose to report the number as spam while blocking it to help others avoid the same caller. Step 2. Block a number from contacts. What if the person is already saved in your contacts? Easy. Open your contacts apps and find the contact you want to block. Tap on the contact's name to open their details. Look for the three-dot menu, usually in the top right corner, and select Block Contact. Step 3. Block unknown or private numbers. For those sneaky unknown or private numbers, open your phone app. Go to the three-dot menu and select Settings. Look for the option labeled Block Numbers or Call Blocking. Toggle the option to block unknown or private numbers. Now, no more mystery calls. Step 4. Unblock a number. Block someone by mistake or had a change of heart? No problem. Go to the phone app, open Settings, and tap on Block Numbers. Find the number you want to unblock and tap the Remove or Unblock option. And that's it. With these steps, you can take full control of who gets to reach you on your Android phone. No more annoying interruptions, just peace of mind. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more tech tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one, where we'll be exploring more ways to make your tech work for you. Until then, stay connected, my friends.